Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO Y19s, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery. Then, if you're not in the contacts panel, just enroll it. Choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit, and click on add picture. Now you can either open your camera and grab photo right now, you can choose something from your gallery, from Google Photos, or some illustration from the system panel. But let me add one from my own photos. I mean on-device pictures. Now you can customize it however you like. Rotate it also, then mark choose, and then save to apply the change. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.